Yesterday we started with chapter 2, lesson 7. We talked about the implicit differentiation. And we say that if we have x and y in the same term, how can we find its derivative? We say that if you want to find the derivative of x, you can find its derivation easily. And if you want to find the derivation of y, you must write derivation of y times dy over dx. And we stopped on these examples. We solved 3, 4, 5. Let's now solve number 6. That was your homework yesterday. Number 6 here now.
Teacher,
Yes.
there is some black boxes on the screen.
This one I move now.
Yes.
Teacher, what did you say earlier about the homework? I didn't hear.
I see one, or I see just Shahid and Lulu. I think I see only them.
Where is it, teacher? In the
Where is it? It is on the discussion room. Yes.
Okay. Is
Solve
it
it
still
too, by
there?
the way.
Sorry.
Is it still there?
Yes.
Can I solve it today?
Yes.
Okay.
So let's now do number 6 here. In number 6, we have x cubic y squared minus 5x squared y plus x equal 1. So x cubic, it's 3x squared.
3x squared.
Here now, sorry, here we have, they are multiplied. So we have to use the power rule.
So it will be
the first one times the second one. Now the first one, x cubic, times the derivative of the second one, which is 2y times dy, sorry,
dy over dx.
dy over dx. So it is f g prime plus g h prime. What's the derivation of x cubic? It's 3x
to the
squared.
power 2.
Thank you. Then minus here 5x squared y. Also they are multiplied. So the first one, 5x squared times the derivative of y. What is the derivation of y?
1
times dy over dx plus
1
y times 5x squared, its derivative is 10x.
It's 10x.
Plus the derivation of x is 1.
That's 1
equal 0.
0.
Then let's now rewrite it. It's a 2x cubic y dy over dx plus 3x squared y squared minus 5 minus 5x squared dy over dx minus 10xy, here minus because I multiplied minus with a plus, minus 10xy plus 1 equals 0. Let's now gather these parts that have an 3x squared plus or minus 10x plus
1
here now, and then let's put
equal
2x
equal to 2x cubic y.
Teacher, I have a question. Why does it equal 0, not 1?
Because the derivation of 1 is 0. You have to find the derivation of for both sides.
Okay.
Two x, where's this cubic? Was here?
2x cubic.
Here, this one here, صح? 4x.
Yes.
Here we have plus sign equals 0. Now, let's talk dy over dx, or let's move this bracket to the other side.
It will be 3x squared
So first one,
times y squared minus 10xy plus 1 equal 2x cubic times y times dy over dx minus.
yellow, wait, please. So here now I want to move it to the second side. Now, 3x squared y squared minus 10xy plus 1 equal. Now let's move it to the other side. So it will be negative
2x
Negative
cubic
2x
x cubic y times
dy over dx
minus
minus 5x
minus
squared.
plus
5x
squared
squared times dy
over dx. Now, let's take dy over dx as a common factor. It will be negative 2x cubic y plus 5x
squared
equal 3x squared y squared minus 10xy plus 1. Now, let's divide. Yes?
Why it's plus 5x squared, not minus?
Because you move it to the another side. So this one would be minus and this one would be plus.
Yeah. Okay.
Then divide it by negative
negative 2x cubic times y
negative
plus 5x squared.
Negative 2x cubic y plus 5x squared. Negative 2x cubic y plus 5x squared. So dy over dx, it will be 3x squared y squared minus 10xy plus 1 over negative 2x cubic y plus 5x squared.
Teacher, we cannot make in the denominator and the numerator x is a common factor.
Sorry?
We cannot make x common factor in the denominator and the numerator.
Yes. No, here we have 1.
Okay.
Make this, take x as a common factor. Now, is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Yes, teacher. Yes.
Let's do now number 7. In number 7 here, please. Number 7. 1 over square root of x plus 1 over square root of y equal 1. This one I can write it as x raised to the power half plus y raised to the power negative half, equal 1. I can rewrite it as we said before that 1 over square root of x is 1 over x raised to the power half. And it can be written as x raised to the power negative half. So it's x raised to the power negative half plus y raised to the power negative half equal 1. Now let's find the derivation.
It will be
Negative half x
to the power
raised
negative half
minus 1 plus negative half y raised to the power negative half minus 1 times dy
over dx
equal 0. Then this one, it's negative half x raised to the power negative 3 over 2. And let's move this to the other side. It will be positive 1 over 2 y raised to the power negative 3 over 2 dy over dx. Then let's divide it by half raised to the power 3 over 2 by half y negative 3
raised to the power negative 3 over 2.
Then let's simplify it. So dy over dx cancel each other. So it comes like negative x raised to the power negative 3 over 2 over y to the power negative 3 over 2. Negative x, it's negative 1 over cubic root of x squared over 1 over cubic root of y squared. Then it comes like negative. They cancel each other, you can say, so it comes like negative cubic root of x squared over cubic root of y squared. Cubic bit, please. Yeah, this is dy over dx. Half divided by third, this comes like 3 over 2. So here, I'm sorry, here it has to be negative cubic root of y squared over cubic root of x squared. Because if you divide half by third, it's like half times the reciprocal of third, which is a 3, so it's 3 over 2. So you took 3 over 2. That's mean y over x. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Here we find its derivative. We have to deal with the exponential. After that, we found that dy is negative x raised to the power negative 3 over 2 over y raised to the power negative 3 over 2. After you write them, it comes like negative cubic root of y squared over cubic root of x squared. This is for number 7. Let's now do number 8. In number 8 here, we have x squared equal x plus y over x minus y. Let's now find the derivative of the right and the derivative of the left. The derivative of the right, of the left, sorry, it is 2x.
2x
And the derivative of the right
equal
is do it by the quotient rule. In the quotient rule, we said if we have f over g, we said g squared, g times f prime minus f times g prime. So x minus y squared. Then g, which is x minus y. So we suppose that this is f and this is g. So x minus y times f prime. What is f prime?
1 plus 1
Plus 1 plus 1 times dy over dx
over the x
minus f, which is x plus y, times g prime, which is 1 minus dy
over the x.
Then let's use the cross product. 2x times x minus y squared equal. Now we will distribute x minus y into this term. So it's like x minus y plus x minus y times dy over dx. I just distribute x minus y in both monomial. No, then minus x plus 1, x plus y times 1. Then plus, because minus times minus is plus, x plus y times dy over dx. Now x, it cancel x, right or no? It can cancel. So we have now 2x, x minus y squared minus x minus y plus x plus y equal. Now we have only this term and this term. Take dy over dx as a common factor. So we have x minus y plus x plus y.
Plus x plus 1
Divide by x minus y plus x plus y. Divide by x minus y plus x plus y. They cancel each other. So dy over dx, it's like 2x times x minus y squared minus x minus y plus x plus y over x minus y plus x plus y. Is it clear?
Actually,
Yes.
not x minus y squared, all of it is squared. 2x times x minus y.
You mean in this squared is here outside?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Teacher,
Yes.
teacher, can you please repeat from the part you start dividing in?
Divide here.
From the blue one.
Here.
Yes.
Okay. Here now. We multiplied 2x by x minus y squared. Okay. We multiplied 2x times x minus y squared. We get 2x times x minus y squared equal. Now, here we have x minus 1 times 1 plus dy over dx. Let's now use the distributive property to multiply x minus 1 times y. So we will have x minus y times 1, it will be the same, plus x minus y times dy over dx. You multiplied x minus y times 1 first, then x minus y times d1 over dx. Minus. Here now you have to multiply negative x plus y times 1. It still will be the same. And negative x plus y times negative dy over dx, it will be plus x plus y times dy over dx. Now, here we have 2x times x minus y squared. Now, let's try to simplify it. It's x minus y minus x minus y. This is for these two terms here. Then,
It should be
yes.
plus.
No, here negative time plus is negative.
Okay.
Then plus. Now here, what did we have left? We have x minus y times dy over dx and x plus y times dy over dx. Let's take dy over dx as a common factor times x minus y times x plus y. Then x here we have x cancel x and negative y, so it will be negative 2y plus dy over dx equal x minus y plus x plus y. This is equal to 2x times x minus y squared. Then let's move to y. A second term. What you will get now? So 2x times x minus y squared plus 2y equal dy over dx times x minus y times x plus y. Then divide two terms by x minus y, x plus y, by x minus y, x plus y. So dy over dx is 2x times x minus y squared plus 2y over, if you multiplied x minus y plus times x plus y, you will get x minus y or x squared minus y squared. This will be now the final answer. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Nihat.
Yes.
Let's now do this example. dy, use the implicit differentiation to find dy over dx for x squared minus y cubic equal x times y. Here, what did we have? We have 2x minus 3y squared times dy over dx equal x times y. We have to use the power rule. We will say the first term times the derivation of y plus the second term, which is y, times the derivation of x, which is 1. So 2x minus y. Let's move this y to the first term equal x dy over dx plus 3y squared dy over dx. We moved also this part to the second side. And after that, we have 2x minus y equal. Let's take dy over dx as a common factor. We get x plus 3y
squared.
Then divide by x plus 3y squared, x plus 3y squared. Then dy over dx, it will be 2x minus y over x plus 3y
squared.
Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Now, add a quiz I will bring for you like this. I will not bring for you a complicated one like the previous one, because it takes 1 hour. Okay, that's it. Do you have any question today?
No, thank you, teacher.